Okay, now how to divide a decimal number by a whole number. So how will you divide it? Suppose you take one decimal number 15.2. You are going to divide it by 2. You are going to divide it by 2. So first of all you write down 15.2 divided by 2 divided by 2. Okay, so for dividing this, first of all you have to divide only 152 by 2. You divide first. Okay, how much? 2 7s are 14. Okay, 2 7s are 14. 1 is here. Now here what is there? 2. So this 2 will come down. How much it will be? 2 6 are 12. Okay, that means 76. 152 if you divide by 2 you will get 76, but your question it is given 15.2, that means 1 decimal places, so answer will also be in 1 decimal places. Okay, that means if you divide if you divide 152 by 2 you will get how much? 76, but your question is given 15.2 divided by 2. In question, your quotient is how many decimal places? Here it is 1 decimal places, so answer will also be in 1 decimal places, that means 7.6. So based on the decimal places of your dividend, according to that your quotient will be the decimal point you have to adjust. Okay, so similarly another one case is there, to divide a decimal number by a decimal number. So how will you divide a decimal number by a decimal number? First of all, so here for dividing a decimal number by a decimal number, first of all you have to apply one trick. The trick is that here it is given, check 315.84. this work you can do before division also or after division also you can apply. So it's better if you apply before division, then also it will be same answer only you will get. So first of all see here numerator it is in 2 decimal places and denominator it is in 1 decimal places. Okay, so if you remove the decimal, it is given 315.84 divided by 4.7 it is given. This one is 2 decimal places, this one is 1 decimal places. So this is your numerator, this is your denominator. So 2 minus 1 will be how much? 1. So that means ultimately you can write it like 3158.4 divided by 4.7. Which one is bigger? 2 is bigger, so that means your decimal point will shift to how much? In the numerator by 1 decimal places. Okay, so that means if instead of writing this one you can write like this. Okay, so now what is your final question? It is, now we have got 3158.4 divided by how much? 47. Now this is nothing but how much? Divide a decimal number by a whole number. So this is your decimal number and this is your whole number. So now we can apply the previous method. Okay, so in this previous method what you have to do, before doing the division you have to consider that dividend as a your whole number. So you divide 315.84 divided by how much? Divided by 47 you divide. Okay, so with 6 if you divide you will get 282. 47 into 6 is 282. So do the subtraction. then you will get 33 you will get, then this 8 will come down 338. So now 47 into 7 I am doing the multiplication, then you will get 329. Then how much you will get here? 9 and here 4. Okay, so again 47 is smaller than 94, so again we can multiply. So if you multiply 47 into 2, then I will get here 94. So this done. So now 672, that means if you divide 31,584 by 47, the quotient you will get here 672. Okay, but the question it is given that 3158.4 divided by, after adjusting the decimal, divided by 47, your answer is how much? 672. Without decimal your answer is 672, but here decimal point, because in question decimal point is there, so answer also be in one decimal places, so it will be 67.2. okay, see here also at last also you can adjust the decimal. Same, this work you can do before or you can do after also. 315.84, if you divide by 4.7, here 2 decimal places, here 1 decimal places, then it will be subtraction, because division is there, so subtraction. So 2 minus 1, 1 decimal place, that means your resultant answer will be in 1 decimal places. So answer will be how much? Without decimal you got 672, so because here it is given 1 decimal places, resultant answer should be 1 decimal places, so answer will be 67.2. okay, so now discuss the exercise. See the question number 1. 8.45 if you divide by 10, for division decimal point shift to the left side. Now so it will be how much? 0.845. So if you divide 39 by 10, it will shift to the left side by 1 decimal place, that means it will be 3.9. Similarly, question number 4 you check 0.039 if you divide by 10, from this decimal places again it will shift to the left side, that means it will be 0.0039. so similarly one number, all the question you have to do by yourself. Left questions, 2 number you check, find the value of 0.6 divided by 2. So before doing the division, the main thing is that you have to apply the division without decimal point. Without decimal, consider decimal point, you have to apply the division. After that you have to adjust the decimal point. So in this question it is given 29.4 divided by 7. So first of all you divide 294 as it is, you have learned in previous classes. So 294 you divide by 7. 7 4s are 28. How much it is? 14. 7 2s are 14. So now you have got 42. So if you divide 294 by 7, you will get 42. But the question it is given 290. So 29.4 it is given. That means how many decimal places? 1 decimal place. That means it is 4.2. Okay. Similarly, your 3 number C, 0.063 divided by 3. If you divide, then you will get, first of all you have to divide 63 divided by 3. Then after you have to adjust the decimal places. Okay. See the question number 5. It is given 0.00037. 37 you divide by 5. First of all you divide 37 by 5. 37 you divide by 5. 5 7s are 35. How much? 2.054s are 20. Okay, this is for 5 4s are 27.4. But the question is given how many decimal places? Your dividend is how many decimal places? 5 decimal places. So without decimal if you divide, you have got 7.4. 7.4. But the thing is that the question it is it is given your dividend is given 5 decimal places. That means from this decimal places you have to add another 5. So that means 0 0 0, how many? 1 2 3 4 0. That means answer will be this one, 0 0 0 7 4 3 3. Previously one decimal, by dividing you have got one decimal places. The question it is given in 5 decimal places, so from this decimal places you have to count 5. So that means ultimately your answer will be 6 decimal places, 0.00074. okay. 6 7 number you try to do by yourself. 8 number I am going to do. So let's do this 8 number. To check the question, it is given 11 2 5 7 5. Better I write here 1 1 2 5 divide by how much? 114. Here first 114, that means 3 digit you have to take. So here also 114, here 112. Which one is bigger? Your divisor is bigger, that means it will not go by this 3 digit, that means we have to take this 4 digit. Okay, so now 114 it is given. So if you multiply 114 by 10 you will get 1140. If you multiply this one by 10, so that means if you take here 10, then you will get here how much? 1140, but here 1125 is given, so that means again we are getting a smaller bigger number. So that's why what you have to do, you have to take that lesser quotient. So that if I take 9, so let's try to take with 9. So if you multiply with 114 by 9 you will get how much? 1026. Okay, now from 15 if you subtract 6 you will get 9. How much it is? Subtraction 9. So now here 114 it is given and here it is 99. So we cannot divide 99 by 114. That means again we have to take one number from we have to shift this number. So that means 997. Okay, so now 114 if you have to calculate by your mind. So 114 with 9 if you multiply you have got 1026, but here 997 it is given. So what number? That means smaller than 9 we have to take. If you take bigger than 9 or 10 then you will get bigger number. We need smaller than this number na. So that means if you multiply with 8, let's try 114 multiplied by 8, then you will get how much? 912. Okay, 912, then you will get how much? 5, here 8. So again this 85, here 114 is given, so this 5 will directly come to the here. So that means 855. So how much? Again we have to take 7. So 7 if I multiply then I will get 798. 798, that means it is how much? 57. So 114, here 57 it is. After that any digit is left here in the dividend nothing is there. So to make this number bigger, here I have to take decimal point, then it will be 0. 570. So 114 into 5, it will be how much? 570. Okay, so remember this one, by dividing this dividend by this divisor you have got the quotient is here, this one 987.5. that means 987.5 we have got. But the question it is given decimal point, how many decimal places? 4 decimal places. That means from this point it will shift to 4 decimal places. That means answer will be 0.00985. previously 1 decimal places. By dividing you have got 1 decimal places. From this, because question it is given, your dividend it is given 4 decimal places, that means from this you have to count to 4. That means answer will be 5 decimal places. See this one.